This is a tutorial video on videos not showing up on your YouTube channel homepage. So this is how you do it. Right hand corner, you go up to and click on your YouTube studio. And now when you're in your YouTube studio, left hand side over here, under your profile picture, you scroll down, customization. This will be your channel customization page. This is where you can add your banner, your picture. You click over the Home tab, and in Home tab, you will have the choice. You'll have the Home tab. You click on Home tab, and now you can add stuff. And let's remove that. And what you do is you add your videos that you want, and then they'll show up on your home page. The important thing is click publish. If you don't click publish, when you go back to your home page, they won't be there. The next thing you want to do is you add a section. This section will be a channel trailer. You click on here, you click on the channel trailer, and this, when people show up to your channel, they'll get that little trailer, and it makes your YouTube channel look even better. And then that's your channel trailer. Remember, click publish right here. If you don't click publish, you won't add it. Now you can add a spotlight trailer for people that subscribe to you and are returning, and then you add a video to that. And also remember, click publish.